In this video, we show how to replace a sidewall bracket on a PowerEdge R770AP. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, air shroud, and fan cage assembly removed from the system, to remove the a sidewall bracket, press down on the release latch and then lift up on the bracket and pull it out of the system. To install the sidewall bracket, align it with the side of the system, get it on a little post, and press down to latch it into place. For more information about the PowerEdge R770AP, visit dell.com/support.